Hello friends, welcome to the Tips or Technology YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some useful tips and tricks related to technology. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Always keep your software and apps updated. This ensures that you have the latest features and security patches. Tip number 2. Back up your important files regularly. You never know when a hardware failure or accidental deletion can occur. Tip number 3. Use strong and unique passwords for all your online accounts. This helps protect your personal information from being compromised. Tip number 4. Be cautious while downloading and installing software from the internet. Make sure to only download from trusted sources to avoid malware and viruses. Tip number 5. Take advantage of cloud storage services to store and access your files from anywhere. This provides convenience and peace of mind. Tip number 6. Clean up your device regularly by deleting unnecessary files and apps. This helps improve performance and free up storage space. Tip number 7. Stay informed about the latest technology trends and updates. This will help you stay ahead and make the most out of your devices. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.